All right, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
So basically, currently I am a vet student, and I am a final year veterinary student doing my doctor of veterinary medicine. And after my studies, I work as a vet assistant. You may say as a vet nurse. So it is, you may say that it is a mixed type job. No, currently in that situation,
Okay.
because I am in a final year student.
Good. Why did you choose this area of studies?
I chose this area of study accidentally because I did not got best marks in my higher school in FSC. So I choose it due to my eldest brother, because my eldest brother is in Australia and he said vets are in shortage in Australia. So it might be better to move when you complete your studies.
Okay, being a vet, how do you feel about animals?
Basically, there are two categories of animals. If you may say that dairy animals and small animals called as companion animals. So companion animals or you may say that mood lifting animals.
My question is, how do you feel about animals? I love the animals, and being a doctor, animal doctor, I always try to cure the like that, okay? So give your own answer. Again, how do you feel about animals?
Animals play a very important role in our life. So it is very important, and to deal with patients, to deal with different kinds of surgeries, injuries. So I think it's a good thing to keep patients and work with that type
All
of
right.
animals.
What do you think about animal testing?
Animal testing in here in Pakistan, it is not very common. In small animal side, it is very common, like several type of kits as used in human sites they are using. But I think it is a good thing that we use that type of quick testing, which you may got result in a few minutes or in a few hours. So it is a good thing.
All right. Would you like to study more about this field?
Yes, I think when I completed my graduation and
Yeah, when I complete my
when
graduation.
I'm completing my graduation and then I move my desired country.
Have you completed your graduation
No,
already?
I am-
You should say after completing my graduation.
So after completing my graduation, I have plans to practice. But if I did not have any chance to practice on my field, so there is also I have a safe side to study in masters to study in public health as a master in masters.
Okay. Is there good scope of your area of studies in the job market?
Yeah, a lot. In Pakistan as well as in the Western countries, there are a lot of scopes. As I mentioned earlier, that Australia has a shortage of vets. If you work as a permanent residence, then they demand vets. If you
Alright.
clear all their examination and all
Okay.
these things.
This is good. Just focus tenses and understand the question and try to answer every question differently and express your answers in a good variety of sentence structures and vocabulary. All the best.